floating shelf installation to our client's house. It is made from solid pine wood and treated against termites and wood fungi. With complete installation accessories, a bracket with screws and tops. Check the yellow basket to place your order now.
Push lang. Ayan. So ayan guys, na-install na natin itong tatlong shelves. Ganda.